Hey guys! In this video we are going to be checking out the best vanity lights for bathroom. You can buy it right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on the type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for the best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Globe Electric Vanity All-in-One Bathroom Set. We will begin our picks with one of the best choices available for those who are looking for an all-in-one option. The following set from Globe Electric is probably the only set you would want for your bathroom. Coming at the top position, we have the Globe Electric 50700. This set not only includes a decent vanity light set, but also many additional accessories that will go well with the overall theme. This set includes a 3-light vanity fixture, a towel bar, a toilet paper holder, a towel ring, and a dedicated robe hook. All of these essential accessories are designed with the same brushed steel finish so that you won't have to buy another matching piece later on. As for the vanity fixture itself, it offers a classic design with 3 lights, which is still preferred by a lot of users. It can be easily installed and you can do it yourself without needing any professional help. Even if you already have other accessories, you can get this set and keep the extra ones in reserve for the future. For the vanity fixture, you will need the standard E26 60 watts bulbs, which are easily available. Number 2. Presde Modern Bathroom Vanity Light. If you have been looking for a stunning and large vanity fixture, the following choice is perfect for you. Our next pick from Presde is definitely the right vanity fixture for large bathrooms. In the second place, we are putting the Presde Modern Vanity Light Fixture. This is quite a premium option that comes within an affordable budget range compared to other similar choices. However, it offers support for 5 bulbs with a power capacity of 100 watts, making it one of the best options for large bathrooms. On the rear section of the fixture, it has a glass finish, whereas the rest of the frame offers a chrome stainless steel finish. The Presde Modern Vanity Light Fixture is about 35 inches long, which is generally equivalent to the usual size of a large bathroom mirror. Even with such a large size, this fixture is pretty easy to install. Once you install the fixture, all you need to do is connect the power cord and you are good to go. As for the light source, you will need 6 grams bulbs that also offer dimming functionality, based on your choice. Presde Modern Vanity Light Fixture is also backed with 5 years of warranty, making it a reliable choice for long-term use. Number 3. Hansford Collection Progress Lighting Vanity. Progress Lighting also has a variety of options for home decorative products. They also have a great vanity fixture that is compact, yet supports high-capacity light bulbs. In the third place, we have a great vanity fixture designed by Progress Lighting. This set comes from the Hansford collection, which is known for a series of elegantly designed home decorative products. The Progress Lighting vanity fixture offers support for 2 large light bulbs with 100 watts of power capacity. The design of the fixture has an antique look, which a lot of users prefer for vanity lights. Progress Lighting is also offering 3 color options for the light fixture: golden, black, and nickel. The lights, on the other hand, are large spherical lights that can cover a lot of area with a high level of illumination. There is also a circular backlight on the Progress Lighting vanity fixture, along with a horizontal bar, all of which is coated with the bronze finish to match the theme of the fixture. Each bulb supported by this fixture measures about 15.5 inches in width and 10 7/8 inches in height. While the bulbs are sold separately from the fixture, you can also get dimmable light bulbs if you require them. Number 4. Effimero Black Wall Sconce Lighting. If you are ready for your Hollywood close-up, this is the fixture for you. The 48-inch Miria Modern LED Vanity produces 3680 lumens, which is equivalent to an 8-light vanity fixture. It easily illuminates a double-sink bathroom and can reasonably be the sole source of light in your bathroom. These contemporary sconces feature a clear bell-shaped glass shade that houses a 60-watt light bulb, not included. The shade is supported by a straight metal arm, and the fixtures are compatible with dimmer switches, allowing you to adjust their intensity as needed. It comes with either brushed nickel, polished chrome, or antique brass hardware so you can coordinate with your existing bathroom fixtures. The glass shade comes in either a clear translucent finish or a frosted white finish. Depending on the finish chosen, it can suit either a traditional or a more contemporary decor. This fixture is compatible with triac dimmer switches, so you can moderate the light's intensity when it suits you. Designed with chrome stainless steel and a frosted acrylic cover, Miria's Vanity light has a 180-degree rotating hinge that allows you to adjust the light in the direction you choose. It is available in both a warm hue or cold hue. Number 5. JoosenHouse LED Vanity Light. Brighten up your bathroom on a budget with this vanity light from JoosenHouse, which has a simple design that comes in several sizes, ranging from 15.7 inches to 31.5 inches in length. With an integrated LED bulb, it will light up your space in a crisp white light while keeping electricity costs to a minimum. These LED lights can be mounted horizontally or vertically, and they're compatible with dimmer switches, as well. The light's output depends on which size you choose, but even the smallest light produces 1268 lumens. Plus, there's no need to worry about having to replace the lights anytime soon, as the lifespan of the bulbs is estimated to be 54,000 hours. The light has a sleek modern design, featuring a silver backplate that supports 2 white tubes on either side. The smallest option produces 560 lumens of light, and the brightness goes up with each size, allowing you to find the right level of illumination for your space. Plus, you can opt to mount the fixtures horizontally over your mirror or vertically on either side, similar to sconces. If you enjoyed this video, then like this video, do comment and don't forget to subscribe this channel.